The mortal remains of singer Zubeen Garg have been brought back to Guwahati days after the singer's death in Singapore. 3-day state mourning has been declared across Assam for the singer, and the singer's mortal remains have been brought to his home for his fans to pay last respects. Zubeen Garg was known for his work in films and music. Across various industries, he sang in Assamese, Bengali and Hindi language films. The 52-year-old Assamese singer died in a freak accident in Singapore while swimming. He was in Singapore for the Northeast India Festival, where he was scheduled to perform on the 20th of September and the 21st. My colleague Ratadeep reports from outside Zubeen Garg's residence, where his fans have gathered to pay their last respects.
People in Guwahati have waited outside Zubeen Garg's residence for hours to catch a glimpse of the cultural icon who lost his life in a freak accident in Singapore. His mortal remains were brought from Singapore to Guwahati. Here you can see the convoy reaching his residence at Kahilipara area of Guwahati. The escort, the cascade being brought to his residence. Thousands of people on the streets. This is a rare moment. People in Guwahati, in Assam, have not seen anything like this before. The last time they saw was when Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhupen Hazarika had died. And now you can see here, this is the moment for which these people have been waiting for hours together. The chants of joy Zubinda reverberates as people, his fans here, they wait to catch one last glimpse of Zubeen Garg. There you can see the Cultural Affairs Minister of Assam leading the cascade, and here it is the cascade of Zubeen Garg. People are following it in hundreds and thousands. This is a sea of humanity, and hundreds and thousands of people have gathered in large number to give him a farewell that he always wanted from his people. In Guwahati, with campus and Nakul Rabha, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.